Welcome to DLEAD International Online Python session. The last session we have learned about arithmetic operators. Here we are going to learn assignment operator. As you can see here, these all are the assignment operator. Let me explain you one by one. So first one is equal to. We have already used this equal to, but we haven't mentioned the name, isn't it? Yes, so here when we do it, a is equal to 20, this 20 value will be assigning to a. That's why it's known as assignment operator. Then we will be printing the value of a. This is how it will be working. Yeah, this is how we will be getting the value. Then as you can see here, a is equal to 10 means 10 will be assigned to a. D is equal to 20 means 20 will be assigned to B. C is equal to A plus B. That means sum of both variables A and B will be assigning to C. A minus B will be difference of variables A and B will be assigning to the variable D. Let's print it. So this is how it will be. I think it's clear for you. Okay, fine. So now we are moving to second operator, which is second assignment operator, plus equal to. So here left hand side plus is equal to right hand side means LHS, that's left hand side, plus RHS. That means let me explain you with an example. So here as you can see, a is equal to 5 and a plus is equal to 2 means a is equal to a plus 2. So this is same as a is equal to a plus 2. I think it's clear for you. So here as you can see, a plus is equal to 10. That means a is equal to a plus 10. Here a plus is equal to minus 3. That's equal to a is equal to a plus minus 3. That's a minus 3. So let's try printing the value of a. Yeah. So first of all, the value of a will be 5. After this, a plus is equal to 2, it will be 7. That means a plus 2. Then a plus is equal to 10. So now the value for a is after this, the value will be 7. So we are not printing it here. So the value will be 17 after this process. Then we will be reducing by 3, so it will be 14. Okay. Then comes minus equal to. Minus equal to means LHS minus RHS. Left hand side minus right hand side. A minus is equal to 2 means A is equal to A minus 2. Okay. So let's try doing some examples. Say a is equal to 12. Let's print a here. A minus is equal to 2. So now let's print a. So from 12 it will be reducing to here. A is equal to a minus 2. I think it's clear right now. Okay, so let's try doing star equal to, that's multiplication equal to. Let's try doing it. So a is equal to, say, 24. Then what we have to do first? Very good. We have to print a. Then how we can write the assignment operator for multiplication? A star equal to, say any number, say that's 2. So here it will be A is equal to A star 2. So let's print the value for A right now. Initially it will be 24 when we do this operation. After that its value will be, very good, multiplied by 2 it will be 48. Then let's try doing the division operator. Say A is equal to 40. Sorry. A is equal to 40. After that, again, yes, we have to print A. Let's try doing A divided by equal to, say 20. So, it will be A is equal to A divided by 20. Very good. After that, let's print A again. This is how you will be getting the value. Why does this become like decimal value? Yes, after division, it will be decimal value. Very good. Then let's try the modulus operator. What's the purpose of modulus operator? I have already learned it. Very good. We have to find out the remainder. That's why we are using the modulus operator. So let's try it. Again, A is equal to 23. A modulus 10. Modulus equal to 10. Then what we can do? Very good. We have to print A here. Yes, we have to print A here. After which also we have to print A. So how we can comment this? How it will be? Yes, A is equal to A modulus 10. Very good. So the remainder will be 3. You know it's already. Then let's try the floor division. What's the purpose of floor division? Why we are using floor division? Yes, to rounding to integer value. That's the purpose of floor division. Let's try say 11. A floor division equal to say 7. What will be the value? Let's try printing A here also. A. So it will be, how many 7 is there in 11? Very good, it will be 1. I think it's clear. Is there any doubt? Okay. Then comes star star equal to, which operator is star star? Very good, it's raised to the power. So A is equal to say 4. So let's print A here. Then in the next step, A star star equal to 2. Let's print A here also. Tell me, what will be the value in this line? Very good, it will be 4. What will be the value of A in this line? Yes, it will be A, that is 4 raised to the power 2. Then we have to assign it. So A raised to the 4 raised to the power 2 will be 16. Let's check it. Yes, initially its value is 4. Then it became 16. You are right. Then here I have given you some examples. You have to predict the value. X is equal to 5. We will be assigning the value 5 to X. Then X star star equal to 3. How it became? A 5 raised to the power 3. So Let's try it. Okay, let's add it. Tell me, x equal to 5. X star is raised to the power 3. Then let's try printing x. Initially it was 5. Now it will be 125, which is 5 raised to the power 3. It's clear? Okay. Then we have to predict here also. A is equal to 10. Now initially A is 10. Okay. Then A star equal to 2. That is 10 raised to the power 2. It's 100. Very good. Now in this step the value is very good. It's 100. Then A divided by equal to 5. That means 100 divided by 5. What's 100 divided by 5? Very good. It's 20. Then now it's 20. Then 20 modulus equal to 2. What will be the value? Okay. If you are telling the value, let's try. A is equal to 10. A star equal to 2. Then A equal to 5. A modulus equal to 2. Let's type printing A last. If you want to print in between, you can do that. Okay, you can do the code along with me. It's 0. You are right. Your answer is correct. Okay. Then here comes some activities. Accept 2 numbers from user. Then find some difference, product, quotient and remainder of them. How we can find it? So let's try doing it. So here we have to accept 2 numbers. So first of all, let's try doing this problem. I'll help you to do some of these problems. Okay, so this is the first problem. We have to accept 2 numbers from user, and then we have to find some difference, product, quotient and remainder. How we can accept? We will be accepting by using input keyword. I think it's clear. Then second variable also we have to get as input, but the thing is we have to get the sum, difference, product. All these are arithmetic operations, so we have to convert it to number. So it will be integer of int of. So number 1 is equal to int of, what is the keyword? Very good. We have to use input. Enter the first number. Then let's try doing the same for second number also. Second number. Then what we have to do? We have to assign the sum of number 1 and number 2 to the variable sum. So at the beginning, in the first step, we have assigned the first input to number 1. Then we have assigned the second input number 2. Then we have done the arithmetic operation addition. Then we have to print sum of A, comma B, comma is. We have to use the same inverted commas. Then sum. Let's try 10. Second number is 20. The sum will be 30. This is how you will be getting sum of 16. I don't know why it came there. It's an error. Okay. It's not an error. What happened here? Can you find out the mistake? Here we have done number 1 and number 2. We have to change it. Okay, very good. Number 1 and number 2. You're right. So, sum of first number is 10, second number is 20. So, sum of 10, 20 is 30. I think it's clear for you. Then let's move to the second question. You have to you have to do all these things. Difference, product, quotient, remainder and all these things. Then the next question, accept the measurement of length and breadth of the rectangle from user. Then you have to print its area. How we can find? You have to use the user, please enter the length. Then you have to ask the user, please enter the breadth. Then the area, you have given the area here. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So you have to do this. Then what will be the next step? You have to print it. It's easy question. Then you have to accept measurement of diameter of a circle. Then you have to find the area and perimeter. So what's the question for finding out the area? Pi r square. So you have to store the value of pi to a variable. It's 3.14. Then what will be the next step? You have to find r. But you have given with diameter. So what is the relationship between diameter and radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. So you have to find out the radius. Then you have to find out the area. So pi into r into r. Then comes the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 into pi into r. It's clear, I think. Then you have to accept a float number from user, then perform the following. So for accepting a float value, what we have to do? We have to convert it into float. Very good. So increment by 2 and print the value. So how we can increment by 2? Very good. So we can do plus equal to 2. So it will be incrementing by 2. Then multiply by 5 and print the value. How we can multiply? Star equal to 5. Very good. You have to print all these values also. Then perform float division by 2. How we can do float division? Guess divided by equal to 3. Then you have to debug the code. X plus is equal to 5. Input, enter a value. Here we are storing, enter a value. Then printing X, value will be printing. But when you do these things, some issue will be there. You have to find out it. Okay, so you have to try this. You'll be finding out some issue. Okay, so this is all about the assignment operators. So you have to go through all these questions. You have to try doing all the problems. Is there any doubt? You can ask me. Simple questions are there. You have to try doing all these things. Okay, then this is all about this session. Thank you.